Hi, this is AJ Hoge again, the Director of Effortless English. And today, we're going to learn about rule number 2. Now, rule number 2 is a surprise for many people. Rule number 2 is simple. Do not study grammar rules. Do not do it. Now, I know this is a tough rule for some people because most of your life learning English, you have been told to learn grammar rules. In middle school, in high school, in university, in language schools, everywhere in the world, grammar, 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 grammar. So my first question to you is, did it work? Was it successful? If you're watching this video, you have studied English before in school somewhere. And probably you focused a lot on grammar rules. So my question is, can you speak English easily, quickly, and automatically right now? If the answer is no, why not? Because you have studied English for many years already. Why can't you speak quickly, easily, and automatically? Why not? Well, it's not your fault, actually. The reason, the answer for most people, is that you studied grammar rules too much. You focused on grammar rules. Why? Because your teachers told you to. Why is it bad to study grammar rules? Well, because when you study grammar rules, when you focus on grammar rules, you focus on analyzing English. In other words, you think about English. You think about the past tense, the present tense, the future, the present perfect, the past perfect. Now, for writing English, that's okay. Why? Because when you write English, you have time. You can go slowly. You can write very slowly. You can think about it. You can erase your mistake. It's okay. You don't need to write fast. But for speaking, there's no time. You do not have time to think about the rules for the present perfect tense in English when you're listening and speaking. There's no time. Someone asks you a question, you must answer immediately. You have no time to think about prepositions. You have no time to think about verb tenses, possessives, all the stuff you learned. There's no time. How do native speakers learn grammar? Well, I'm an English native speaker, and I can tell you, I never studied grammar rules. Not until high school, and we studied grammar rules for writing. In college, native speakers study grammar rules. Again, why? For writing. But for speaking, we don't. So how do we learn grammar rules? Well, we learn through listening, through hearing correct grammar again and again and again and again. A lot of correct grammar. So the best way to learn English grammar is through input. In other words, English coming in, mostly through your ears, but reading is also okay. But don't read textbooks. Don't read grammar books. Just read easy English books, easy novels. But most of all, you'll be listening. Now, in the next emails that you get, I'll tell you exactly how to learn grammar in an easy way, in an effortless way, without studying rules. So keep getting those emails. Read the next emails, because in later emails I tell you exactly how to learn English grammar so you can use it quickly and very fast when you're speaking, not just writing. But for now, for today, the number 2 rule I want you to remember is do not study grammar rules. If you focus on grammar rules, it will hurt your speaking. You'll speak more slowly. You'll understand more slowly. So if you have grammar books, throw them away. Put them in the trash. Goodbye grammar books. If you want, you can burn them, put them on fire, because they're useless. They will not help you with your English speaking or your English learning and listening. So, goodbye grammar books, no more grammar rules. Yay! That should make you happy. Okay, good enough. This is the second rule for learning to speak excellent English. Tomorrow, you'll get the next rule, rule number 3 tomorrow. So, I hope you enjoy this email course and these videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.